Hi, I'm Peggy Farron, and I'm going to show you how to do water drop photography. This is geared towards beginners who have never done it before because you can get much more sophisticated in this type of photography, and it's really, really fun. But first, to get started, here is my setup. So I'm going to give you a supply list, okay? You'll need 2 manual flashes to freeze the motion, 2 receivers and 1 trigger transmitter, stands for the flashes, flags, camera, macro lens if you have one, but any lens will do that can focus pretty close up. You'll need some type of frame. Joe Fitzpatrick built this out of PVC pipe, a shallow tub for the water, a funnel, cotton balls, tweezers, and we used a pen. We took the ink out of it so that we could stack the cotton balls, and then a cup to pour the water. Optional, a focusing aid. Again, Joe made a thing out of a can lid and a screw. A tripod you're going to need as you get more sophisticated. It's just a little easier to do without a tripod. Colored gels are really cool if you put them on your flashes. And then another option is to color the water with food coloring. You want to shoot in the manual mode with your camera. Shutter speed 1/200th of a second, f8.0, ISO 100. Now you can tweak those if you want to, but those settings will pretty much work with any setup you have. Your flash settings are next. You have to be in the manual mode on your flash as well as your camera. And start at maybe 16th power. This is where you're gonna tweak your flash more than your camera settings, okay? So if you're overexposing the pictures, then turn your flash down. If you're underexposing, turn your flash up. Every flash has a different strength, so you're going to have to kind of play around with the flash strength. So here is the setup again. You can see we have the 2 flashes with the flag so that the light is directed, really directed onto the water drops. This is the focusing aid. You're going to focus on it, put your lens in manual, and then pull it out. And the frame, you can use many different things as a frame. All right, so put your flashes together, put the receiver on, screw it on tight, turn your flash on, make sure it's in the manual mode. This is an old flash, but any flash will do. Put the shoe on, of course. Then put the funnel in and put some cotton balls in. The pen without the ink we use to pack down the cotton. And so I put some more cotton in and pack it down, pack it down, pack it down. Then use tweezers to pull the cotton out a little bit, and that will help to give it a kind of a steady drip. So I'm putting the focusing aid directly underneath the funnel so that the drip will hit it. We put a black board behind just so more light won't spill, and then just add water. It will start to drip. Get that focusing aid so that the drip is hitting it. You might need to pack the cotton in a little tighter, even add cotton. Once you have the drips at a steady basis, just sit down and photograph. It might take you a few shots until you get the timing right on the drips and you're taking the picture. You'll also probably need to tweak the flashes, turning them up or down until you get the right lighting. Have fun! I'm Peggy Farron with Understand Photography.
Get up!